Okay, so I'm outside, and I said I was going to build this one. Okay, but somebody else come and chimed in with the same one, so I figure, well, I picked up a bunch of these. I got them one time, went into Dollar Tree, believe it or not. They had a stack of them, so I bought, I don't know, 6 of them for $6. But I got a different one. And I think it still falls in the category. And I didn't see anybody else building one, so I'll go ahead and build this one. Unless I can't, and y'all yell at me, whatever. But I'm going to do opening right now. Okay. So it's in here, get the plastic off. Well, even on this, let's see in the picture. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Okay. Yeah. And much too. You go to. It's got like some funny papers. Funny papers. Instructions. Have to read that. Take them out of the bag. Got a little stand for it. Showing you very many pieces though. There's the motorcycle. And here's Davey. Okay, that's all I wanted to show y'all.